In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a template in Monday.com, which can really streamline your workflow and save you a great deal of time. Let's get started by finding your way around the Monday.com interface. First, you'll want to navigate over to the left-hand panel where you'll see a list of your boards. Take a moment to locate the board that you'd like to duplicate. This is the foundation upon which your new template will be built. Once you've found your desired board, you have two options to continue. You can hover over the board and right-click, or you can click on the three dots icon that appears next to the board's name. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. After clicking there, you'll see an option that says Save as Template. Go ahead and select that. Next, you'll be presented with two choices: move the origin or duplicate the origin. Let me explain these briefly. If you select Move the Origin, the original board will become part of your template, meaning any changes you make to the template will affect the original board. On the other hand, Duplicate the Origin will create a separate copy of the board for your template, leaving the original unchanged. Choose whichever option aligns best with your needs. Once you've made your choice, it's time to decide whether this template will be a standard template or a managed template. A standard template is great for general purposes and can be personalized for different projects or contexts. A managed template, however, is controlled by the admin and ensures consistency across teams, which can be particularly useful in larger organizations where uniformity is key. Almost there. You just need to give your template a name. This name will help you easily identify the template within your project or across your organization. Once you've named it, click on Create Template. With that, you've successfully created a new board template in Monday.com. To use your new template, start by adding a new board. When you do this, select the option to Start with a Template. This will bring up a menu where you can choose from all available templates, including the one you've just created. Select it, and everything you set up will be ready to go in your new board. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've set up a reusable template that will help you and your team work more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide on creating templates in Monday.com helpful.